Good morning, YouTube. It's Bar Double R here. Saturday morning, normal Saturday morning, I guess. A little overcast, was foggy all day yesterday. Everything's pretty wet. And anyway, I going to feed Bo his medication and extra food, and today we're gonna work on the goat pen down here on making it more efficient to feed. You know, it's like taking 20 or 30 minutes right now, probably more like 20, 25, and it needs to be a lot less. I mean, anyway, gonna kind of revamp everything, move stuff around, and sorry, I'm dodging dogs. Hank is nice and frisky in the morning. And oh, now he's gonna walk around like a normal dog. Anyway, but I've got a whole bunch of footage that is just junk. I mean, it makes you sick. I'm not gonna post it. It's, even though I was building a hot wire fence and had it all documented, and the actual good footage I had was from a old camera. I say good, it was the best out of it all, and I couldn't get it to go. I couldn't get that format to work with my software, so I'm probably just gonna scratch that. I'm probably just gonna walk after I get done down here. I'll probably just do a walk around, or at some point I'll do a walk around, just show you what we improved, and maybe I have pictures of it before and after. I don't know. See what else. I had something else in my mind. Oh, I know what it was. Okay, so, and this next video is probably just gonna, like this build down here is probably gonna just be in fast forward. What you see of it's gonna be fast forward, and it'll be from a side view, because that way you don't get nauseous. And the rest of it, I'm gonna add some stuff to it. It's just gonna be little clips, just random stuff that I thought was funny or weird or whatever. Random clips of random stuff, but it's stuff I wanted to post, but I really don't have a means of posting it. So I'm either gonna add it to this one, or it's gonna happen on the next video. I'll do a random deal, and it'll be just random clips, you know, a deer I filmed jumping a fence, and, you know, Gus or Hank doing something silly or whatever, you know, just random stuff. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Like I said, we'll be down here. Y'all have seen, hold on, let me turn around here. Down here where all the goats and the cows are, this is where we're gonna work today, and try to get it more organized. I've got to, if I think about it, I'll actually, you know what, my sketch, nobody would be able to know what I was drawing out. I didn't go into that much detail. I just drew lines, so it wouldn't actually do any good. Yeah, not gonna show that. We'll just build it and then I'll walk you through it. So anyway, I gotta feed Bo, and as you can see also, Bo is actually starting to gain weight. I mean, yeah, you can see his ribs still, but it's not near as bad as what he was. I haven't weighed him yet. I'll probably wait a couple weeks to weigh him. But anyway, he's doing good. We're giving him, I don't know if you can see, in that sandwich is his pills, and then it's some homemade stuff along with some high-powered dog food, and it's kind of a mix of everything. And I got an extra can of dog food in my pocket in case, if he eats through this, I'm gonna give him more. So anyway, well, have a good day. Like and subscribe if I don't say it later. I think I'm still at 11, so you know, that's still good. I'm not complaining. That's good. I'm ecstatic. And but anyway, I'll get back at you. Bye.
Look at it go.
He likes sandwiches.
Oh, yes,
oh
he
hey,
does.
calm down,
Hey,
Bo.
calm down, Bo.
Calm down, Bo.
Bo.
You probably could just let him.
I don't know. Maybe I should.
Smells good enough that I could eat it.
Okay.
You know.
Peach, you look guilty.
See YouTube, he's happy.
You do.
And but he's skinny. Bad skinny. Herd. No. There's nothing in there. Back up. Go, hey. Of course, there's always one that gets their head caught, and it's normally the same one. I have a method of trimming horns that will probably fix that, and I need to experiment with that because she keeps getting caught. Hold on, I'm gonna set this up here. Maybe I can. You can see that or not. I might be able to. Bo's looking up at you. You can see my little excerpt earlier. Look at Peaches. You think she's been in the mud? I think she has. See, Bo has too. Not as much though. He stayed a little cleaner. Hope we can get him back up. Bet says they really can't do anything else for him, so we're gonna keep trying. Too good of a dog to just let go away. Not everybody has the girlish figure of Peach here. Yeah. Good dog. And just so y'all know, this guy right there, him, and this little guy over here, this guy, we're going to be going to a new home this weekend, hopefully. Got a buyer. And we should be having babies. I just don't know how we can't. I need to check her out. I haven't worked my goats in a while, and I need to run through them and check eyes and stuff. See if I can check her eyes real quick. It's called the Flamantia. The Flamantia test. Alright, there we go. She probably needs to be wormed. Let's check this way. I need to worm her. Like, that's something I'm gonna do this weekend. Hopefully, if it doesn't rain, is worm her. She didn't look bad, but her eyes were pretty. You look in the middle of the day, look at them again. Looked at her gums though, and they're normally, if the gums look pale, eyes and the gums and all that, if they look pale, that's normally a good indication that they've got, they're anemic, which means they have parasites. Let's see if I can. She smells a rat. I'll get it, baby. Sorry.
Bo. Here, Bo.
Here, babe, I'll get it. You can just slide it under there, let him eat the whole damn thing.
I'm trying to. You think you'll bite me? My foot?
I don't think about your foot, but I wouldn't try to pick that up.
Okay, well.
Do you want to put more in there?
I do, but I don't want him to bite me.
Alright, well, hold this the way it's on. It's documented if I do get bit.
Yeah.
Here you go, buddy.
Come on. He's hungry.
That's
He
good.
acts like he's not eating.
That's good because he hasn't been eating that much.
Here, Bo. Here, Bo. Bo.
Oh,
Come on. Hey, Bo. Come on. Come, buddy.
as long as he's eating, I don't. Here, I'll go in there. Hold that. Yeah. He knows it's there. If he chooses not to eat it, that's fine. It won't go to waste.
He's eating peaches. That went off.
It's just the screensaver. Still recording.
You
Peach.
should get chipped out, girl. Huh?
Well, she's got
She's not
food.
going to get anything.
Yeah, she will. There's food back there. I split it in 2 different deals.
Well, he ate back there already.
There's still food. I can see it. I need to. Besides, I mean, have you felt her?
Sure.
Missing a meal's not going to hurt her.
She needs a sandwich.
But we'll get. I might bring some more dry dog food down in the morning, or might put some in here.
Okay.
Or if you will, yeah, you're going to feed him. Put some down there, and this is good because he hadn't been eating like that.
Now, did they give him a shot yesterday?
Mm-mm. This is the weirdest thing. I don't know what's going on.
Well, he's been devouring those sandwiches.
Yeah, he wasn't eating like that here just a day ago. Guess he decided he didn't want to get probed anymore up the bum hole. Because every time, that's the first thing they do.
Looks like she's about to pop.
She's already had.
What?
She's the one that had that one.
Which one?
The little liver-headed. The little liver-headed, that's the mom of that one.
Is the liver-headed one still nursing?
Yeah, he probably is every once in a while. That's why, but he's weaned. He'll nurse till the end of time. She hasn't.
Her bag's bigger than hers.
Well, she's not bagged out yet. Give her a chance. I mean, come on.
Peach, you invite? Peach, have you been out and about? Invite? Oh, one was a sandwich.
They act like they're starving, but I know they had grass out there.
Peach, you can have all the treats.
See, I mean, she's.
Eddie. There's your Eddie. Come on, guys.
Hank. Gus. Uh-oh. Did we just tear your new coat? Hank! Gus, come on. Come on, ha!
Man, I thought he was run his out.
He's already ran into the trailer hitch.
Who did?
Your dog. This'll work. It doesn't. No, nothing's in there anyway. It doesn't really matter.
Well, I don't want him coming back here and pushing this through. Here, I'm gonna do it right, okay?
You do it right. Hey YouTube, just kind of show you kind of what we got done today. I mean, this isn't anything big because we've been doing other stuff. We actually built some fires, and Mrs. Bar Double R, she did this over here. I'm going to show you. I have to get maybe another one of these cameras just so we can both have one by us. There's Bo. Bo's feeling a lot better. He normally sleeps in the day. This is uncommon. He barks all night, sleeps all day. Burn that pile. Still burning that pile. And then over here where the red gate is, that was, and I think I'll throw in a picture. I believe Miss Bar Double R took a picture of it before. As you can see, now we have a gate which will let them out into this big field here when we want to. I've had another way to get them out, but it just wasn't as convenient as this, and we had this sitting around, so we thought we'd set that up. Still got a lot of work to do over here. This gate's going to come out. That panel's going to turn into a gate right there. That's just bull wire. All this tin's going to come out, not today. And I'll replace it with panels because I like having multiple pins to put things in and separate stuff. And right now I don't really have that. So anyway, and as you can see, this was a shed and it was on fire at one time, and you can see it lasted. I've had to put a few screws in it because the wind blew it down, but so far so good. But so right now this was the hay area, and actually, so the hay's gonna go over here now, and this is just gonna get out of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this down. Mrs. Bar Double R went to go get some more wire, and so let me see if we can get everything in here. That ought to work. Maybe a better view will be this till the goats come in. I tell you, boy, the temperature has dropped. That wind is actually kind of chilly. And if I stop moving, I'm probably gonna have to put a jacket on. This fire over here, there's a cactus that was basically dead and smeared around, and I wanted to burn it up so it didn't grow new cactuses tomorrow. I don't know which animal's doing it, which it doesn't bother me that they're killing them, but I don't know which animal's doing it. And here it is. And what this doesn't look like much, but what you'll see is it'll hold hay. And I'm not going to be running all over the place, putting hay in places. I need to take this one out. I wasn't thinking on that. And all the way down, basically 40 foot of it. So that'll work out pretty good. Now right here, right in front of where the dogs are going to be, we're going to put the feed troughs. And that way we can reach over the fence and dump it in. Yeah. Alright. YouTube, it's Bar Double R here. I wanted to show you possibly the dumbest animal on the planet. This is a guinea. And do you see this beaten path? I mean, beaten. He has been doing this for at least all day. You see that? All right, let me show you something here. So not only can he fly, he can fly. But guess what? Right here is no fence. We literally trapped him with just that. Not on purpose.